here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And today I'm just really making a quick short video, just reviewing a couple of things. I will first start off by talking about the first clip that I had in this video, my glamnetic nails. Now these, if you haven't tried glamnetics, they're like a really fantastic press-on nail company, and I'm just so glad that I tried them. I know I've been used to doing Kiss, but baby, Kiss is out the door. I'm sorry to say. But maybe they could prove me wrong in the future. But yeah, the glamnetic nails, I'm just like knocking them on everything. They don't feel flimsy. They feel very durable. I know some people might be like, because it costs like $15. But I think they're worth it. I mean, 15 compared to 60 for my usual set sounds a bit better in my opinion. So yeah, I just want to start off by saying that. Also wanted to share some news about my journey so far as a micro influencer. I do now have a Amazon storefront. So I'll be putting my beacon link or a link tree down in the description below. Feel free to click on that. It has a link to my YouTube channel, which you're already on my TikTok, I believe my Instagram, and also my Amazon storefront. And also, if you are feeling like you want to kind of do a little shopping for some clothes or accessories, Royal Boutique has some deals going on, and I have a code. Yes, I am like really an influencer now. Like, I'm really excited. Yeah, I got a code. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here so that you can shop till you drop, baby. 10% off. And yeah, enjoy that. So, I want to just move on to what we're really here for. Yes. Do you know what this is? Can you guess what this is? Coach, baby. Coach outlet came through for you, girl. Yes. I'm so excited because I ordered a Terry shoulder bag in black, and I got a Nolita barrel bag. And I know all the girls, you know, they love all the other colors, but I saw nobody make a video on the white one. So I got it. So we're going to try it out and rate them 1 through 10. Wow. Ooh. Lordy, lordy, lordy. I got some scissors. Okay, let me try not to cut myself. Oh, I forgot I also got a card holder. You see how I shop? I just go like boop, 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 and forget what I got. But yeah, I got a card holder. I think this is a slim card holder. I might have to look at what is on the packaging. But I know it's most likely the slim card holder. And I got it in black with like the gold hardware. So let's unbox her first. Let's start small. She also comes with a zipper on the top so that if I want to store anything extra in here, and also it comes little. So I'm definitely going to be putting a charm on this. I'm putting a charm on my bags, and yes, I'm putting a charm on my card holder too because I'm what? Extra. Yep. Yeah, definitely. I love having a portion like, I used to like large wallets, but now I just like a good card holder for the most part. I don't really carry around fat ass wallet no more. This is like compact, will fit right into either one of these bags. Yeah, so you have the 2 openings in the front, you have the little coach, and then on the back you have where you can put your ID, and you don't even have to take it out because you can actually see your ID. So if somebody wants your ID, exactly, not wasting no time. Okay, let me move her to the side. This has to be the bad mama jammer. Yeah, this has to be her. Oh, what is all this? What is all this? Oh, and it comes with the long handle. I forgot all about the fact that you can carry it either or. Shoulder bag or crossbody. Yeah. She's gorgeous. Oh, Lord, it has a tag on it. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Isn't she so nice? Y'all, she's so pretty. Y'all, and I got this for, let's just say, go on the Coach outlet, because the value of this bag is up to almost $400. And I did not get this for almost $400. So go on Coach outlet. Yeah, get you a deal, honey. Yes. Oh, the leather. Y'all, I just love the quality of Coach, and I don't care who tries to shit on Coach. Coach is that girl, okay? And listen, this ain't even the beginning of my collection, honey, because I started off this past Christmas, actually probably 2 Christmases ago, where I got a nice tote, and that's when the obsession started. Yep, that is when the obsession started. But yeah, I just can't wait to make my video for TikTok and my Instagram reel. Oh, she's spacious. This is what I needed, because I needed a replacement for the tote. Y'all, I carry my tote everywhere, and it's a problem because I need something definitely smaller, but not too small, because you don't want to just be walking around looking like bag lady. These start to look crazy. Let's just say that. Let's put her back. And then, last but not the least, Miss Nolita barrel bag. I think the color is chalk. Ooh, she's cute. Oh yeah. Okay. You hook that and got the little. Okay. Ain't she fly? Tell me. You can't tell me she not fly. Exactly. Oh, she is cute. You see. Hey y'all! Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all of you guys who are celebrating your daddies today. I just wanted to make sure that I gave a proper outro. But before I do, I know I'm hella late, and I've been wanting to like get into more like fragrance reviews, but my problem is that I'm kind of moving away from traditional fragrances. And when this came out, this is the Orbella by Bella Hadid, if it can focus. And it like, see, it looks like a little like crystal wand. I got it in the scent Blooming Fire. I know the other 2 fragrances that are out from the line, you have Salted Muse, and then you have Window to Soul. Both, you know, pretty decent fragrances. I know they have pretty mixed reviews, I will say, so hopefully one day she does come out with a couple of others, maybe, so those people can jump on board and find something that they actually like. I will say Salted Muse kind of has more of a marine inspired type scent. Window to Soul, I will say a little bit more floral sweet, but Blooming Fire is my favorite, I will say, because it's when I say sweet and warm, I don't mean like it's like OD, like you're gonna like walk around smelling like Skittles or like an actual chocolate bar, but it has a certain element of intenseness to it. It just smells like, it gives grown woman, and I like how it is essential oil based. So because I'm moving on from more traditional fragrances, because I'm just completely sick of them, I'm going to be honest, like they give headaches and psychological issues. You're gonna have to, it's a lot of info on that. You're gonna have to look it up yourself. I'm so sorry, but yeah, this one is like so good. It smells so sexy. Like Bella Hadid really put her foot in this fragrance line. Oh my goodness. And I will say, as far as it lasting, I mean, I feel like it lasts if you spray a decent amount, but if you want it to keep like powerfully permeating, you're one of those people that are really pressed about everybody around you smelling you all day, you will have to do a couple of more spritz throughout the day, you know. And I started off with the travel size. I will say I love the packaging of the bigger sizes, like the full bottles. Like they look like dragon eggs. It's like it's a really cute line, y'all. So I would say I think they're only in Ulta for right now, or you could order them off like the official website of the fragrance. So for right now, you can't like get it off anything like Amazon or whatever. I think you'll see that it looks like it's on Amazon, but I think that's a scam, so watch out for that. And yeah, and you're supposed to shake it up to activate. It's supposed to be like a quote unquote bi-phase formulation. I think it's just like talking about like the different layers of the scent and like just the activation of the different scents and the oils and the notes. So yeah, and I love how it's alcohol free, so it's not drying, and it just doesn't have the effects on you and your olfactory system and your nervous system like traditional fragrances do. So yeah, that is all. I might get back on camera, show y'all what I'm doing a little later today, celebrating with the fam and celebrating Daddy. So hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you later.